So do you feel your Windows 11 is still sluggish and lagging even you did a lot of optimization? Then keep in mind, optimization always comes from making the changes required according to your need. So disabling those features you never used or you don't need will do a perfect optimization. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about a feature that you really don't need, but still it run in the background, occupy a lot of space and make your system very slow. And it's called delivery optimization. So on your Windows 11, if you make a right click on the Windows icon, go to settings, click on Windows Update, then click on advanced option. So here below the additional option, you get delivery optimization. And if you click on it and read about it, it says if you turn this on, your device may send part of your previously downloaded Windows Update and application to devices on your local network or on the internet. Now before disabling this feature, let me explain more about this so that you can better understand that what exactly you are going to do and what will do when you disable it and what will happen when you keep this enabled. So delivery optimization is generally recommended to save the bandwidth, reduce the background network usage, as it shares the same update downloaded on one PC to other PC connected on the same network. So it's good if you have business with tons of computer, as it will save the bandwidth, as the other devices connected on the same network will not download any update directly from the Microsoft server. So let's say if the delivery optimization has been enabled on this primary device, it will download all the latest Windows 11 update, and once downloaded, it will share the same update downloaded from the Microsoft server to other PC connected on the same network, so that those PC won't download any other update directly from the Microsoft server, for which they will not have to use the bandwidth, and in such way the bandwidth will be saved, even the speed of the internet will be improved. But again, this is good for the business where there are tons of computer, but it's really not good if you have limited devices like 1, 2 or 3 devices. And even I will give you the reason for this, as this feature eat a lot of resources like your CPU, your RAM to deliver the update to other devices, and your one computer, your primary computer, become like a server. So it's better if you have limited devices, then download all the Windows update directly from the Microsoft server instead of putting load on one device. Alright, so you also need to come to the same option. In the Windows Update, you will have to come to advanced option, the delivery optimization, and keep this option disabled. Once you have disabled this, it will stop downloading the update, stop sharing the update to other devices, and due to this, it won't be occupying any resources from the CPU and RAM, and this will be helping you, of course, to fix your lagging problem and even improve the performance. Alright, so that's all guys for today, and hopefully you found the video informative, this information informative. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I see you in the next video.